So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene. You guys, I'm so sorry for the delay, but I filmed this video with my phone because I've bought a new ring light and I had to film it with my phone. But you guys, I'm not going to do it this never again because first of all, I don't like the quality. It's like a little bit blurry. I don't know. I don't like the quality. I'm just going to film it with my camera, and from now on I'm not going to try out new things. So you guys know, and it took me a while to do the airdrop from my phone to my laptop, you guys, but I made it. So let's get right into it. So I've already got the old acrylic off, I've prepped the nails and also applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. And you guys, now I'm going to apply our new color that will be online on our website when we launch, you guys. I'm not going to spoil the name of the acrylic because I want to tease you guys, but you guys, I think because I made this video with my phone, you can see the glitters and you can see how perfect this color and the glitter is. You guys, I'm so in love, not because it's my product, but you guys, I have to say to you guys, you are going to be amazed with our first collection that we're going to launch, because this color, you guys, the colors, love it, just love it, love the sparkles. So I'm applying this color on the whole entire nail. On the index finger, I'm going to apply this color on the whole entire nail. And you guys, my application was whack in this video because I was struggling because the ring light was just right in front of my face. I couldn't see. You guys, it was a whole mess, but I really wanted to show you guys this new video and also the products that I've used, and this set came out so bomb, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this video. I am a perfectionist, so I really didn't want to edit this video for you guys because I thought that the quality of the video wasn't perfect, but I was just so in love with the color and the outcome of the design, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to share it with you guys. So now I'm going to encapsulate the color, and on the pinky I'm going to do a ombre with the this color, and on the other one I'm just going to fill it in with cover pink from Young Nails, and after that I'm going to do a hand painted French on the let me think, the ring finger, the middle finger and the thumb, but you will see that in the video. Okay, so on the pinky I'm going to do the ombre as I've said to you guys, and don't worry about the application, but I was struggling, you guys. I was really struggling. And yeah, you guys, I want to share some news with you guys. I'm going to start giving classes in May. If you want online classes, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm also, if you guys want to, I'm also going to work on the online classes. And if you have any idea how you want me to do that, let me know. I'm going to work on that. And the products, you guys, I know that I've been teasing you guys for so long now, but I have to say that we are launching soon. I am really picky, so if one thing isn't like I wanted to, I'm going to send it back until I'm satisfied with it, because I really want to put some good products for you guys on the market, and also cheap, because I know that a lot of you guys are beginners, so I really want you guys to start with some good products, but also affordable. So that's why, you guys, but bear with me, the waiting is almost over. Almost. I really want to thank you guys so much for your patience. You guys are really motivating me to keep pushing, because I had days that I thought, you know what, I'm just going to stop with this launching of my product because it took so much energy from me, because I'm so picky. I'm too picky, and I really want to launch it for you guys, and you guys are asking me about it, and it isn't like I want to. You guys, it's a struggle, but because you guys always send me those beautiful messages, I can't wait to order from you. Can't wait, you're so good, I love you. You guys, I really have to say that I really appreciate every single one of you guys, because it isn't even, if it isn't for you guys, I will, a long time ago, I would have quit the idea of starting my own product line. Okay, you guys motivate me so much, and keep going, and also to keep going making my videos. So I'm just going to keep making my videos, and also keep going with my products, and also I'm going to start giving classes, and I also want to give online classes. Okay, so I'm really doing this for you guys, because you guys motivating me so much and giving me strength. I know I'm talking too much in this video. I'm sorry, but go ahead and enjoy the application part. Okay, guys, yes, here I am again. I'm sorry for talking too much. But you guys, if you are not following me yet on Instagram, on our new product page, um, so I think you have to go and follow us on our product page, so you can go and follow our product journey, and when we are launching, and every news that we have, we are going to post on our Instagram. So go ahead, I will put it in the screen, so you guys can go and follow me on my product page. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for following me. I really appreciate it. Okay, so this is how the nails look after the application. Look at this sparkle, love it. And just look at this, look how blurry this is. I don't know why. I don't know, I think the dust from the nails went on the camera. I don't know, I just don't know. Sorry you guys, I'm really sorry that the quality is whack in this video, but from now on, I'm just not going to try out new things. I'm just going to keep using my camera, okay? So I'm filing, I'm using my tapered bit to smooth down the nails, and when I'm done doing this, I'm going in with my cuticle bit. I'm in my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area, and I'm also going to use my hand file to perfect the shape. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. Okay guys, so this is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning these nails. I'm so in love with it. I'm so in love with it. So now I'm using my liner from the gel bottle, and I'm using our white painting gel, you guys. And I'm so in love with these painting gels. I love it, love it, love it. I'm going to paint a hand painted French, and just take your time and create that smile line. After you're done making that perfect smile line, you can go in with another brush, a thicker brush, to fill in the spots, because otherwise when you're going to do it only with your liner, you will be there sitting and making some French nails the whole day. So you can just go in with a bigger brush, or a like a gel brush or something to fill in the white spot at the free edge. So that's what I'm doing on the on the middle finger, the ring finger, and the thumb. When I'm done doing this step, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds under my lamp. I forgot to tell you guys that the consistency of this gel is so thick that you don't have to flash cure in between. But if you think that you're going to ruin it with your hands, or something that you're going to touch something and your gel, your painting gel will just move, or you will just ruin it yourself, go ahead and flash cure it, but it will not run because the consistency of the painting gel is so thick that it will stay in place. And now I'm just perfecting it. And I also want to say to you guys, when you're done curing the nails, you don't have a sticky layer. So you can also do something like a matte nail. You can just apply your matte top coat and just do your design over it with the painting gels. And you just cure it, and you don't have to apply top coat or anything on your design where you have applied the painting gel, because you don't have a sticky layer. So yeah, I'm just going to perfect it, and I'm going to do that on all the nails. And also, these painting gels will also be available on the website when we launch. Okay, so now after curing the nails, now I'm going to use a neon yellow to make a design over the hand painted front. And you guys, on the video you don't see how bright this color is. Here you see it like a yellow, but you guys, this color is so neon. It's so bright. Love it, love it, love it. Go on our Instagram and you will see a picture of the gel, and you can see how bright the color is. You guys, when you walk in a room with your nails, everybody's going to talk about your nails. So let me tell you, you have to get this color when you launch. I mean, you have to just get the whole collection, because sis, the whole collection is gonna be pump. Yes, yes. I worked too hard for not coming with a bump collection. So I promise you guys that this collection will be bump. Okay, so I've cured the neon design under my lamp, and now I'm going in with my glossy top coat to top off all the nails, and I'm going to cure it for 60 to 90 seconds under my lamp. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you guys love the end result. I am so in love with it. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this nail design and what you would like to see in my next videos. Sorry for the delay of my web shop and also for the delay of this video, but you guys, I'm here, I'm working on it, and it will be online soon. So thank you so much, and share this video, like, share, comment, everything. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next videos, babies. Bye bye.